Hello and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're well. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do so. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make lacto-fermented cauliflower and dill. This probiotic-packed cauliflower is not only incredibly good for your gut health, but also bursting with flavor. If you want to learn how to make this deliciously tangy fermented cauliflower, please keep watching. Now let's go through the ingredients. I've got a large sized head of cauliflower, some fresh dill, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, bay leaves, glass weights or fermentation weights, 2 cups of water, a glass jar, and garlic. Next, I'll make the brine, which is the salt and water mixture. I'll add 2 tablespoons of sea salt to 2 cups of water and stir. I'll set that aside. Now I've separated the cauliflower into florets, and here it is. Here is a sample of the size I'm going for. Now I'll start transferring the vegetables, including the cauliflower, into the jar. This is in no particular order. I'll throw in a few fresh dill, add some cauliflower, then add 2 cloves of garlic, a bay leaf. Then I'll use my tamper to push them down because I want the jar to be as compact as possible. I'll go ahead to add more cauliflower, dill, and push the vegetables down as I go. I'll repeat this until the jar is filled to my satisfaction. Next, I'll add the brine, which is the salt water mixture. Now I'll put in the glass weight so as to keep the vegetables submerged in the brine. This will help prevent the cauliflower from floating to the top and becoming moldy. Next, I'm going to seal the jar and leave it on the kitchen counter for 2 weeks to ferment. I'll put a tray underneath to catch any excess liquid that might bubble over during the fermentation process. It's 2 weeks later and it's time to check the fermented cauliflower. I ended up making an extra jar because I go through my fermented foods very quickly. This is what the jar looks like after 14 days. As you can see, the vibrant green color of the dill has turned dull and the water in the jar is now cloudy and no longer clear as it was on day 1 of fermentation. I'm sure you can tell how excited I am for this one with a smile on my face. Next, I'm going to open up the jar. Wow, it smelled lovely. The garlic and dill give the cauliflower a fantastic smell. I couldn't contain my excitement. Next, I'm going to take out the fermentation weight and take out a few cauliflower and dill. Here's a closer look. Next, it's time for a taste test. I picked up cauliflower, garlic and dill. It was so good. The garlic and fresh dill took the fermented cauliflower to a whole new level. Just perfect. It was so good I had to go in for a second. If you're watching this video right now, I think you should try this recipe. You will love it.
Wow, this is so good.
You're not gonna believe it, but I went through one of the fermented cauliflower jars in about 3 days. I had it as a snack with hummus, also had it on a toast. It was just so good. You could also add them as a topping for pizzas or taco, and you could also stir them into soups or stews, and they can also be enjoyed as a snack straight from the jar, like I always do. And you can also make a fermented cauliflower salad dressing by blending fermented cauliflower with olive oil, lemon juice and garlic. It tastes absolutely wonderful. Let me take this time to share a few benefits of fermented cauliflower with you. Fermented cauliflower is very cheap. It has lots of health benefits, especially being a good source of probiotics that's beneficial to our gut health. And it keeps very well in the refrigerator. It can last for months in the refrigerator. Remember, once you open your fermented cauliflower, it's always a good practice to transfer it into the refrigerator so that it doesn't go bad. So, I guess we've come to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and please click the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you've got any questions about how to make this lacto-fermented homemade cauliflower and dill, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Take care. See you next time. Bye.